So Xiaomi has finally launched its crazy smartphone with 48 megapixel camera and a water drop style notch. You're watching India Today Tech, I'm Rahul Sethi, and let's take a look at this new Redmi phone. So Xiaomi today announced that Redmi is a separate brand now that will cater to affordable segment, and Mi will be a different brand with mid-segment or high-end segment smartphones. This is very similar to Huawei and Honor separation, where Honor brand is known for more affordable smartphones. And the first smartphone of this Redmi brand looks explosive. It's the Redmi Note 7. Comes with a new design altogether. But the Redmi Note 7 comes with a very shiny 2.5D curved glass back. This is supposedly the first smartphone to have glass back in this price segment. I mean, there is the Realme 2 Pro and there are many smartphones which use polycarbonate, but the Redmi Note 7 uses glass at the back, and at the front as well it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for display protection. Now the design itself of the Redmi Note 7 is quite unique. It has a water drop style notch, and you'll see it appears quite different from usual Redmi smartphones. At the back it has dual camera setup, and at the bottom it will use a Type-C USB port, the first Redmi phone to do so, alongside the usual ports you get on the phone, including a 3.5mm audio jack. Now, good thing about this phone is that it packs good hardware as well. It has Snapdragon 660 like the Mi A2, and it's the first Redmi smartphone to do so. It comes with 3, 4 and 6GB of RAM options, and 32, 64 you have storage options, expandable via microSD card. So we suppose the gaming is going to be great on this one. And if we talk about the display, it has Full HD Plus resolution, has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 450 nits of brightness level, which sounds quite nice. Since the display has a water drop style notch and a very thin bezel, you'll see it offers great screen to body ratio as well. Now all these things may seem incremental updates over the previous Redmi smartphones, but the best thing appears to be its 48 megapixel camera. That is like the strongest weapon Xiaomi has ever used in its budget segment smartphones. The dual camera setup has a primary sensor of 48 megapixel, which is Sony IMX586 sensor, which was recently announced, and Xiaomi says that it will allow you to take photographs and use digital zoom as well without losing much on the quality of the photo. It captures 4 times more details compared to a regular 12 megapixel sensor, although if we talk about the pixel size, it's not as big, but still that many amount of megapixels are surely enough to capture a lot more details. Xiaomi has put up sample photos on its website, but it's only after thorough testing the smartphone that will be able to tell you how good is the camera. At front, the phone uses a 30 megapixel sensor. Now despite these design changes, Xiaomi has not reduced the battery capacity on this device. It's still 4000 mAh and should give you good battery backup, although the display size again is slightly bigger at 6.3 inches. It also includes fast charging. It supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4, which is a fast charging mechanism found on many mid-range to high-range smartphones. So overall, Xiaomi has trickled down a lot of features from mid-segment to budget segment, and that makes the Redmi Note 7 quite an amazing device, at least on paper right now. Be it the water drop style notch, the glass back, a big battery, fast charging, and most of all the 48 megapixel rear camera, the Note 7 looks to be ready to give all smartphones in the budget segment a big run for their money. The China price of the smartphone is 999 yuan for the base variant, which translated to Indian currency comes out to be 10,500 rupees. There is no word right now on when the smartphone will launch in India, but do let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see it here. Also, if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.